What is OpenClaw AI Assistance Explained? Today, we are going to dive deep into OpenClaw, a powerful AI assistant framework that is designed to transform the way you interact with artificial intelligence. At its core, OpenClaw is an open source platform that allows you to create intelligent AI workflows, giving language models the ability to not just respond to prompts, but to think, plan, and execute multi-step tasks automatically. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that require constant manual input and only give back responses one at a time, OpenClaw functions as a fully automated agent. It can manage tasks, process instructions, and generate structured outputs without needing human supervision for each step. Essentially, OpenClaw turns AI from a passive tool into an active digital assistant capable of performing complex operations on your behalf. If we talk about what makes OpenClaw different from other AI tools, then it just stands out from the regular AI chat interface, and the key difference lies in its workflow-driven approach. Instead of you having to prompt the AI over and over again for each step or just wanting actual precise measures to be taken, OpenClaw allows you to define a series of tasks or instructions, chain them together, and have the AI process them sequentially or just conditionally. For instance, it can take a single input, analyze it, and just generate multiple outputs and pass them to the next step automatically. This structured approach makes OpenClaw ideal for automation, research, content creation, and just business workflows in virtually any scenario where repeated AI-driven tasks are required. By leveraging this automation capability, you save your time, reduce the errors, and unlock a new level of efficiency that traditional AI tools simply cannot provide. At a high level, OpenClaw operates by combining three key elements, that is going to be the tasks, workflow, and the AI model. Tasks are the individual instructions you give the AI, such as generate a blog outline or just summarize this report. You can simply go over to the chat box and we're going to start with a new session. You can just ask it to simply write a blog and later summarize it and just provide you with a short review. Now, tasks are the individual instructions you give the AI like this. It is going to take a few seconds and provide you with the best output that it can, which is amazing, and you can see that the AI is actively working. And workflows are going to be the sequences of these tasks, which can be executed in a specific order or based on conditions. And finally, AI models. These are often connected through an API key to providers like OpenAI or Claude. Handle the heavy processing, generating responses and outputs for each task, and OpenClaw takes care of or just rating all of this automatically, ensuring that the outputs from one step feed directly into the next, creating a seamless chain of intelligence. This allows the AI to perform complex operations without your constant involvement, making it function much more like a human assistant that can manage multiple responsibilities at once. Now, one of the most powerful features of OpenClaw is its ability to automate the tasks. Each task can be simple, like generating a few text options, or more complex, like analyzing a whole dataset and summarizing the key insights. You can chain these tasks together to create a fully automated workflow, for example, generating content ideas or picking the best one, creating an outline, writing the full article, and then just summarizing it for social media. Each task passes its output to the next, allowing the AI to operate in a pipeline of intelligence. What makes it even more powerful is that OpenClaw can run these workflows continuously on a cloud server or VPS. I recommend using a VPS or a cloud server, and Hostinger is optionally really great, and that way you can just operate your OpenClaw 24/7 without requiring your local machine to be on, effectively acting as a fully automated AI assistant. You can go ahead and connect it to different channels as well. You can also manage your channels in settings or connect it to different applications, or for example, if you want an automated text message on your Telegram, Then you can add in some of your details and just the further instructions. That is going to help you build automations and just directly send the text message based on conditions or just in a proper workflow. Now for OpenClaw to actually function, it needs to connect to an AI model, which is usually done through an API key. Popular options include OpenAI's GPT models or Anthropic's Claude models. This connection allows OpenClaw to send tasks to the AI and receive responses automatically. Unlike standard AI tools where you manually type input and just wait for the outputs, sometimes the outputs don't even show up to the lack of the credits that the AI has. While on the other hand, OpenClaw just uses these API connections to run multiple tasks in a structured workflow, allowing for continuous intelligent processing. You can also configure parameters such as model selections, creativity level, token limits, and output formatting, giving you fine-grained control over how your AI assistant actually behaves. Now, OpenClaw is completely and really versatile when its use cases span across industries. For content creators, it can automate writing workflows. You can go over to your channel and tweak in these settings and just add a chatbot to your applications directly with just a few edits. It can automate the workflows by generating the outlines, drafts, or social media posts as well. For businesses, it can analyze data, summarize your reports, or manage repetitive tasks in the chat box. You can just ask it to summarize an entire meeting note or just provide you with tasks from the meeting notes or analyze your data. Now, researchers can also use it to summarize their academic papers or extract insights or prepare datasets automatically. All you have to do is just type in the chat box and it is going to provide you with the relevant information. Even personal productivity can be enhanced by having OpenClaw act as a digital assistant that manages daily tasks or generates your reminders or drafts emails based on predefined rules. The real power lies in its ability to execute multi-step processes without manual input, effectively acting as a digital AI teammate that handles complex logic reliably. Now, OpenClaw is designed to be flexible and scalable. You can start with simple tasks and workflows and then later on build more complex automation pipelines as you become comfortable with the system. It supports branching logic, conditional task execution, and integration with APIs or databases, meaning your AI assistant can adapt to a variety of inputs and conditions. Over time, you can just create workflows that handle multiple parallel tasks and process large data sets or generate sophisticated outputs without ever needing to manually intervene. In summary, OpenClaw is more than just a tool. It is a framework for building automated AI assistant workflows. It combines the tasks, orchestration, workflow automation, and AI intelligence into one system, allowing you to run multi-step processes automatically, whether you're generating content, analyzing the data, or managing your businesses. OpenClaw lets AI handle repetitive or complex work efficiently. Its ability to run continuously on cloud servers or to connect to robust AI models and chain tasks together makes it ideal for anyone looking for leverage. And that's a complete explanation of what OpenClaw is and how it functions as an AI assistant. If you enjoyed this video and like the quick overview of OpenClaw, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step workflow creation or advanced automation examples, along with more tutorials of AI tools. And also leave a comment below if you have any more questions, letting me know. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.